Bullish Crypterium CRPT cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $19.862 and $175.171 by 2030. Market investigators accept CRPT could reach $1.154 by 2025. Negative Crypterium market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.3531. Crypterium CRPT presentation. At the point when Crypterium sent off in 2018, there was a ton of conversation about it. From that point forward, it briefly fell out of view. Furthermore, presently it is recovering energy because of its new cost increment, posting on Coinbase and different trades. Nowadays, a ton of financial backers are keen on the capability of the cryptographic money Crypterium. Is the buzz beneficial? How much higher might it at any point go? In our Crypterium cost expectation, how about we figure out the normal cost and the normal gauge cost as well as the greatest cost? What is the Crypterium CRPT? A portable wallet program called Crypterium empowers clients to use cryptographic money in normal life. The product might be utilized to buy an overall crypto card, top up a telephone, begin an investment account, or exchange digital currencies. Moreover, it empowers clients to store, buy, and pull out ERC20 tokens, Bitcoin money, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other digital currencies. Moreover, holders of CRPT tokens can acquire up to 21% in yearly interest. The champion component of Crypterium is its crypto card, a Visa card that can be stacked up with BTC and utilized in more than 42M organizations. Moreover, they just appeared Choice.com, a MetaFi biological system that utilizes CeFi to reconsider how different conventions capability. Administrations that empower monetary communications among fungible and non-fungible tokens are alluded to as MetaFi in the writing NFTs. Incorporated finance is alluded to as CeFi. The 1.0 version of the Crypterium white paper was delivered on October 31, 2017. Vladimir Gorbanov administers this organization as its president. He is a fruitful fintech business visionary with various organizations pointed toward using innovation to improve on ordinary issues. The token has a greatest all-out amount of 300,000 CRPT. The Crypterium network has accomplished various achievements, as per the site. In 2017, the organization raised $51 million with an underlying coin offering. The stage additionally delivered the underlying cycle of the Crypterium application in 2018. Afterward, H2 Ventures and KPMG remembered Crypterium for their rundown of 50 arising undertakings. Crypterium is at present worth $0.44138. CRPT has moved 107% as of now with an exchanging volume of $447,568. Crypterium is at present positioned 2236 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $4,186,215 ASD. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Crypterium CRPT market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Crypterium CRPT value expectation 2023. Crypterium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year's CRPT. The CRPT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.6627. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.61793 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. CRPT is supposed to have a base worth of $0.052965. Crypterium CRPT value expectation 2024. In 2024, Crypterium CRPT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CRPT will before long outperform $0.123 and $44. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the CRPT's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CRPT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.88275 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.9713. Crypterium CRPT value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.1548482 and CRPT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CRPT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.41 and a low of $0.1302413 in 2025. Crypterium CRPT value forecast 2026. Assuming that crypterium effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the CRPT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CRPT will be green in 2026. The CRPT is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.191862, with a base cost of $1.706551 and a typical cost of $0.185E378. Crypterium CRPT Value Forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CRPT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.85 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.689 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CRPT has a greatest value worth of $2.402757. Crypterium CRPT Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $70.3654. On the off chance that CRPT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $86.95. Neglecting to assemble the help CRPT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $60.4826. Crypterium CRPT Value Forecast 2029. While CRPT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.39.64 and a yearly cost close above $3.31.33 in 2029. Crypterium CRPT Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Crypterium will at long last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.53,102 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $75,171, averaging out at $3.61,929. Specialists guarantee that specialized assessments and different elements influence their decisions. It's really smart to assemble your contemplations prior to utilizing the estimates to shape your perspective. At last, it's wise to try not to rely upon cost estimates for your monetary choices. What is the Crypterium CRPT cost today? Today, Crypterium CRPT is exchanging at $44138 with a complete market capitalization of $4,186,215. Is Crypterium a wise venture? Crypterium ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that CRPT is a decent decision of venture. How high might Crypterium at any point go? The typical cost of Crypterium CRPT might potentially reach $61793 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Crypterium might outperform $80.68.95. What amount will Crypterium be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising fame of cryptographic money and Crypterium, a drawn-out interest in CRPT